Hello students, welcome back. I hope you're keeping well in this pandemic situation, right? And your exam preparations are also going on well. So today we are going to discuss about general mistakes in reasoning and their rectification. Now see students, it is very common that we will be making mistakes in reasoning because reasoning ये जो subject है, this is very new to us. We do not know about reasoning much because up till class 12 or up till our study level, general study level जो होता है, we haven't studied about reasoning. So reasoning क्या है, reasoning, logical reasoning क्या होता है, ये हम लोग को बहुत अच्छे से पता नहीं होता है. या तो reasoning का sums कैसे करते हैं, how we are going to find out the answers in a correct way. This becomes actually very difficult for us, है ना, क्योंकि रीजनिंग बहुत नया वाला सब्जेक्ट है हम लोग के लिए. So in this video I am going to discuss about how we are going to rectify the general mistakes we usually have in reasoning and इसका आंसर्स, क्वेश्चंस का आंसर्स कैसे सॉल्व करते हैं हम ये भी डिस्कस कर लेंगे आज ही इस वीडियो में, राइट? So I will begin with the video. Firstly, रीजनिंग में एक चैप्टर होता है जो आप लोग बहुत सारे कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स में आपको मिला होगा, दैट इज अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डर. Now, alphabetical order is very common for us. अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डर हमको पता ही है, नर्सरी से करते हुए आ रहे हैं कि अल्फाबेट्स क्या है, ए बी सी डी एंड सो ऑन टिल जेड. बट उसका जब ऑपोजिट आता है वी बिकम कंफ्यूज्ड विद इट. हमको ये कंफ्यूज में हो जाता है दैट ए का ऑपोजिट क्या है, बी का ऑपोजिट क्या है. देन वी स्टार्ट थिंकिंग एंड वी बिकम नर्वस एंड अल्टीमेटली वी डू मिस्टेक्स इन इट. तो हम यहाँ पे एक ट्रिक सिखा देंगे आप लोग. A to Z आपको पता है. When in the competitive exam you get a paper to write your answers, you do something. You just write down the alphabetical order the way I am teaching you. Follow कर लीजिए. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. Now, as we already know कि हमारे alphabetical series में in a total alphabets we have 26 alphabets in total. तो उसको हम 13 में डिवाइड कर लिया. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. M तक हमारा 13 हो गया. Along with writing A to M, we have also written the positions of it. 1, 2, 3 करके 13 तक पोजिशन लिख लिया. अब जो ट्रिक है वो उल्टा जाएगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल M के बाद N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. This is the trick. अब इसको हम याद कैसे रखेंगे? A to M फिर N से Z लिख तो लिया, but how are we going to remember this? This is a trick that I'm going to share with you all. That is ताकि हम ये mistake ना करें. क्योंकि एग्जाम में क्या होता है, वी हैव वेरी लेस टाइम टू फिनिश आवर पेपर दैट इज गिवन एंड वी हैव टू इंक्रीज आवर स्पीड. तो तब वहाँ पे क्या होता है, हम काउंट भी नहीं कर सकते बिकॉज टाइम इज लेस और जल्दी जल्दी में बहुत ज़्यादा मिस्टेक्स कर लेते हैं. सो वन इजी ट्रिक फॉर यू टू रिमेंबर इज व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू टीच यू हियर. AZ आजाद, BY बॉय, CX cracks, DW due, EV even, FU full, GT road होता है ना, GT road. HS हायर सेकेंडरी एग्जाम जो होता है. नेक्स्ट IR इंडियन रेलवेज. JQ जंगल क्वीन. KP कोलकाता पुलिस. LO love. MN man. So I'll just repeat once more. AZ Azad, BY boy, CX cracks, DW due, EV even, FU full, GT road, HS high secondary, IR Indian railways, JQ jungle queen, KP Kolkata police, LO love, MN man. This is only one example that I have given you. आप लोग को अगर कोई अलग word पसंद है, so definitely you can do that. But I have just given examples जो मुझे easy लगता है. I have given such examples. If you want, you can definitely take a screenshot of it. I'll just erase this out. So these are the mistakes that we make in alphabetical order. Next I'm going to discuss the directions. Second वाला जो है हमारा एक chapter होता है directions. In most of our competitive exams we get directions. Banking में, rail में, IBPS सब में directions का question आता है. Directions में we usually forget the directions that is given to us. For example, a very easy trick is north, south, west and east. Okay, you should keep this in mind. North ऊपर, south नीचे, west right, west left hand में and east right hand में. If you put the paper in front of you, this should be the picture that you have imagined. Okay, and अगर north south usually हम लोग को याद ही रहता है कि north ऊपर है, south नीचे है. But the most mistakes we make is here, west and east, है ना? तो अगर आप लोग को वेस्ट एंड ईस्ट समझने में या याद रखने में मुश्किल हो रही है, so what you can do is you can remember the word we, हम. we याद रखिएगा. so we का W पहले आएगा, E का E लास्ट में आएगा. so that is how you can remember. और अगर then also you have problem, you can just remember we मतलब W होगा लेफ्ट में and E होगा राइट में, N होगा टॉप में, S होगा बॉटम में. अगर ऐसे ही आप लोग प्रैक्टिस करते रहेंगे, so I'm sure that you won't find any mistakes anymore in directions. Now many people say that directions करने में if question start from south, बोलता है कि south से start किया, then they went to east and then 5 kilometers to the west and so on. If you have problem in identifying this, what you can do is write down this north, south, west, east and turn your paper. Question अगर south से शुरू होता है, so turn your paper upside down and then follow the question as it is told. Then I think you will not have any problem. बहुत लोग ऐसे भी कर लेते हैं, south ऊपर, north नीचे, ऐसे कर सकते हो. Definitely if you are very easy to go with it, yes you can do that. If you have problem, then you can also divide this into like this, north, south, west, east and turn your paper upside down. Okay, if you want you can take a screenshot of it. Next we are going to discuss about blood relation. The third chapter we are going to discuss is blood relation. blood relation में, since blood relation is very much related to us, we have this tendency of making a picture in our mind. हम अपने दिमाग में एक picture set कर लेते हैं कि अच्छा इसका बेटा ये है तो ये ऐसे ऐसे करके हम frame कर लेते हैं. But let me say you, 90% of our answers go wrong if we are following this. हमें दिमाग में picture कर लेना है, that is fine, but also do that down in the sheet of paper that you have. If you're doing it, there is no harm. उल्टा क्या होगा, हमारा आंसर जो होगा क्वेश्चन का कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम के लिए, we will be 100% correct in giving the answer. है ना? दिमाग में पिक्चराइज कर लीजिए, वेरी गुड, बट ऑल्सो डू इट इन योर पेपर. छोटा छोटा करके स्क्रिबल कर लीजिए, वट एवर यू वॉन्ट टू डू इन योर ओन फॉर्मेट कर लीजिए, सो वी विल बी एबल टू गेट द आंसर करेक्टली. यहाँ पे एक ट्रिक आप लोग को सिखा देती हूँ. For blood relation, we have questions like male and female. मेल को आप लोग छोटा उतना तो लिख नहीं सकते बिकॉज एग्जाम में तो टाइम बहुत कम होता है, तो मेल को आप लोग बॉक्स करके डिनोट कर लीजिएगा, फीमेल को सर्कल करके डिनोट कर लीजिएगा, या मेल को प्लस फीमेल को नेगेटिव, ऐसा कर सकते हो. दिस इज नॉट एनी डेफिनेट रूल. I am giving you advice. You can just follow this just to save time. अगर आप लोग को कोई और साइन या सिंबल पसंद हो, definitely you can use that. I prefer using the box and pluses signs for male and circle and negative signs for females. Now blood relation also comes with a format of tree. Family tree होता है. वो क्या होता है? Let me explain. This is grandfather. This is grandmother. उन दोनों का दो चिल्ड्रन है. एक हो गया सन, दूसरा हो गया डॉटर. अब grandfather is a male person, so we denoted box, and grandmother is a female person, we encircle it. Son is a male, female, daughter. Now this gets married to one person जो इसका wife है. We write it as wife and encircle it, and we put a dash to denote कि इसका wife ये है. इन दोनों का बच्चा हुआ है. That is one daughter and two son. Son we denote with box and daughter with one circle. इसका भी शादी हुआ है and she gets married to one person named H. For example, husband है इसका तो H नाम देते हैं with a box because he is a male and she gets married to H. So husband wife relation अगर होता है we denote it with a dash like this. And they have children, one son and one daughter. Daughter है तो circle, son है तो box. Just see, the family tree becomes complete here. We do not have any problem if we do this family tree. Grandmother, grandfather से शुरू हुआ, then it comes to son and daughter, daughter's husband, son's wife, and their children, one daughter, two son, and this daughter's husband, they both have children, one son, one daughter. This becomes so clear to us if we draw the family tree. Question ऐसा हो सकता है, how is this person related to this person? How is this person related to this person? How is this person related to this person? If you do the family tree properly, what will happen? It will be very easy for us to answer any question that comes from the tree itself. And usually क्या होता है, एक paragraph दे देता है and 3 or 4 questions follow after this relating to the same thing. So if we do the family tree, it will become very easy for us to answer all of those 3 or 4 questions, right? So I hope this much is clear to you all. If you want, you can just take a screenshot of it. Next, we are going to discuss syllogism. We write it as Syllogism, but we pronounce this as syllogism or syllogs. Now syllogs में Venn diagram type का चीज बनाना पड़ता है. And in this type of question there are two types. एक positive हो सकता है, एक negative हो सकता है. So positive में all and some होगा, negative में no and some not. Positive में negative में. So what will happen to this positive? Positive में आएगा all and some. Positive में आएगा all and some. Negative में आएगा no, some, not. No and some, not. This is a basic trick that you should remember. Positive में all and some. Negative में no and some, not. If in the question you see that it is mentioned all, then you understand it is positive. If in the question it is mentioned no, then you will understand it is negative. Now how to do Venn diagrams out of this? I will give you one simple example. All, for example, all A are B. All of A is B. ये हो सकता है. One of this example is this. All of A is B. Some A are B. Sum of A is B. A का छोटा सा part, थोड़ा सा part will be B. तो वो छोटा सा part क्या है? This common area. Sum of A is B. So this part belongs to A also, belongs to B also. So we can say sum of A is B. Next, no A is B. No A is B. A से B का कोई relation नहीं है. No A is B. Next, some not. Some A is not B. देखिए, A का जो part है, this part is common to B, but the other part B is not sharing. So यहाँ पे क्या हुआ? Some A, this part of A is not B. Right? देखिए ये इसका उल्टा है. Some A is B, some A is not B. So this is just opposite to it. If you want, you can take a screenshot of it. Example मैंने एक type का दिया है. There are many more examples which I will be giving you later on. You can take a screenshot of it. Next होता है sitting arrangement. Sitting arrangement. In this sitting arrangement, what happens? Questions आता है, बहुत सारे type का question आता है, but there are usually questions I have seen, they are sitting in a row or in a circle. Row में ऐसा होता है, और circle में ऐसा होता है ना? Row में it goes on straight and circle में it happens in a round way possible. So what happens is, if you are doing this in a row, you can begin from any side. Left से या right से कोई भी side से start कर सकते हो. If you're going right, go this way. If you're going left, go this way. But the most important thing is you should be noting it down in the answer paper or the page that you're given. If you're not doing the sitting arrangement in a proper way, writing it down, because there are clues missing, clue छोटा छोटा करके देता है, and if you're not writing that, it will become very difficult for us to solve that. हो सकता है easy है तो आपका दिमाग में picturize हो गया, but बहुत बार ये होता है कि दिमाग में picturize करने से we are very much we are facing difficulty in solving it and we make it a hodgepodge. गड़बड़ हो जाता है and we give wrong answers. So it is advisable आप लोग sitting arrangement row में आया तो ऐसे कर लीजिए, और अगर circle में आया तो ऐसा कर लीजिए and mark them. हो सकता है ना, बोलता है A का opposite में B और ऐसे करके C D E F बहुत सारा members है, so you can do it in this way. one more thing that I would like to advise, reasoning is a very easy subject. Logical reasoning is a new subject definitely, but it is not very hard. We can practice it and get very much accuracy in it. Efficiency बहुत हो सकता है इसमें. It is very much easy to crack exams and reasoning बहुत scoring है. But रीजनिंग में अगर आप पूरा क्वेश्चन करके आंसर दे पाए तो बहुत अच्छा है. बट आई विल एडवाइज यू, वट एवर क्वेश्चंस यू आर गेटिंग इन रीजनिंग, प्लीज डू राइट डाउन इन योर पेपर in short forms or in words that is possible for you to understand. Write it down in the paper or in the answer paper that is provided so that we can solve it. Reasoning दिमाग में बहुत अच्छे से नहीं होता है. So if we write it down and frame it properly in our answer paper, it will be very easy for us, and I'm sure you will not make mistakes anymore in reasoning. So these are the tips I had given you. एक बार फिर से repeat कर लेते हैं. Alphabetical order हमने discuss किया, direction, blood relation, syllables and sitting arrangement. In 5 chapters में बहुत सारा mistakes होता है. So I have discussed all this, and if you follow this, I am sure you will not be making any mistakes in reasoning or logical reasoning, and आप लोग सही marks लेके आएंगे, full marks in reasoning. I hope the video was clear and you all understood. You have also liked the video, I guess. So stay happy, stay safe, and keep preparing for your competitive exams. All the best. Thank you.